Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and today I'll show you how you can enable your Do Not Disturb mode. To get started, swipe down from the top of your screen like so, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Now one of those toggles will be the Do Not Disturb toggle, which for me it is right over here. Once you see this toggle, you can simply tap on it to enable it right away, or you can hold it, which will take you to the settings. Before it does, you can gives you the option to enable it for a specific amount of time. Now from here we can select details, and this will take us to the settings. In here you can customize the mode with options like calls and messages, app notifications, alarm sounds, and other interruptions, along with having the option to have a fully automatic schedule right over here. Here. And this allows you to select a permanent option for instance, the timed option. By default, the device will, or Do Not Disturb mode precisely, will have the option until you turn off enabled, meaning that when you tap on the toggle, it will just enable it and run indefinitely till you turn it off yourself. You do have the option to either ask you every time or select a specific timer, and I like to choose 4 hours, meaning that now with that being enabled, every time I tap on a toggle, it will run for exactly 4 hours, and if I forget about it, the device will turn it off after that time. Now I can obviously turn it off before the timer runs out, so obviously 4 hours haven't passed yet. You can tap on it, and now it's turned off. So there we go. Now anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.